Welcome to the top best. The best Canon T6 battery charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for any photographer relying on their Canon EOS Rebel T6 camera, ensuring you never miss a moment due to a dead battery. This vital piece of equipment keeps your camera powered up and ready for action, whether you're capturing precious family memories, embarking on an adventurous travelogue, or documenting a significant event. Without a reliable charger, your creative potential is severely limited, making the choice of a quality charger a critical decision for any T6 user. Number 5. ENEGON LP E10 Replacement Battery and Dual Charger Kit. Introducing the ENEGON LP E10 Replacement Battery and Dual Charger Kit. It's designed to be fully compatible with your Canon cameras, ensuring a seamless experience. Each battery boasts a high capacity of 1,680 mAh. This means you can enjoy longer video recording sessions and capture more photos without interruption. Our rapid dual charger allows you to charge two batteries simultaneously from any USB power source. It features clear LED indicators to show charging status. Safety is paramount. These batteries are built with multiple protection circuits, including overcharging, short circuit, and high-temperature protection, along with fire-resistant construction. This kit includes two high-capacity batteries, a dual charger, and a micro-USB cable. You also get peace of mind with an 18-month manufacturer warranty and dedicated customer service. What we like. This option provides two high-capacity batteries and a dual rapid charger. If you're a vlogger or a frequent traveler who needs to keep shooting without interruption, this is a great choice. It ensures you always have a backup and can charge two batteries at once, minimizing downtime. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges the Canon T6 battery quickly and efficiently. The charger comes with a USB port, allowing you to charge the battery on the go using a power bank or car adapter. Number 4. LP E10 Battery Charger. This charger is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Canon EOS Rebel cameras, including models like the T3, T5, T6, T7, and T100. Please note it is not compatible with the T3i, T5i, T6i, T6s, or T7i models. Your battery's safety is our priority. It features overcharge, short circuit, high temperature, and surge protection, ensuring peace of mind. It's also CE and RoHS certified. Take it anywhere in the world. With an input of AC 100-240V, it's ready to charge your battery in any country. The output is a stable DC 8.4V 600 mAh. Lightweight and durable, this charger is made from ABS material. Its compact design with a built-in AC plug makes it easy to carry in your bag or pocket, ideal for any trip. We stand by our product with a 30-day refund policy and a 1-year replacement warranty. If you have any questions or issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. This is a lightweight and durable wall charger designed for portability. If you primarily shoot indoors or are looking for a simple, reliable charger to take on trips where you'll have access to wall outlets, this is an excellent option. Its compact size makes it easy to pack. What people say. The charger works perfectly with my Canon T6. It charges the battery quickly and efficiently. The compact design makes it easy to carry around. Number 3. KNF Concept LP E17 Battery 3-Slot Charger. Never miss a moment with this triple battery pack. These replacements offer extended shooting time, ensuring your camera stays powered up for all your adventures. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Canon camera models. It's the perfect power solution for your compatible devices. This upgraded charger can power up 3 batteries at once. Get all your batteries fully charged in approximately 4 hours, with a clear LCD display showing the status. Power up your charger using various sources like a wall adapter, power bank, or laptop. Its dual micro USB and Type-C interfaces offer convenient and flexible charging wherever you are. Rest assured with our certified design, offering multiple layers of protection. It safeguards against overvoltage, overdischarge, short circuits, and more, ensuring the safety of your batteries and camera. This package includes 3 high-capacity batteries, a multi-slot charger, and a USB-C cable. It's the complete power solution for your compatible camera. What we like. This kit comes with 3 batteries and a 3-slot LCD charger, allowing you to charge them all simultaneously. If you're a content creator who shoots for extended periods or needs to quickly recharge multiple batteries between shoots, this setup is ideal. The LCD screen provides clear charging status at a glance. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges the battery quickly and efficiently. The charger comes with a USB port, allowing you to charge other devices simultaneously. Number 2. LP-E10 battery charger for Canon EOS Rebel. Keep your compatible Canon EOS cameras powered up with this essential battery charger. It's designed to work seamlessly with a range of models, ensuring you never miss a shot. Before purchasing, please verify that your camera's battery part number is LP-E10. This ensures that our charger is the perfect fit for your needs. This charger is compatible with numerous Canon EOS Rebel and KISS models, including the T3, T5, T6, T7, and more. It's a 100% new and compatible replacement for your original charger. Monitor your battery's charging status at a glance. The LED indicator glows red while charging and turns green when your battery is fully charged. Charge with confidence thanks to integrated safety features. It includes overcharge, short circuit, high temperature, and surge protection, all certified for your peace of mind. Your package includes 1 AC wall charger. Please note that the battery, car adapter, and European plug are sold separately. What we like. This is a straightforward AC wall charger that focuses on essential functionality and safety. If you already have spare batteries and just need a reliable replacement charger, this is a good pick. It's perfect for users who prioritize simplicity and safety certifications for peace of mind. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges the Canon T6 battery quickly and efficiently. The charger comes with a USB port, allowing you to charge the battery on the go using a power bank or car adapter. Number 1. Eeyrnduy LP-E10 Dual Battery Charger Kit for Canon. Keep your compatible Canon cameras powered up and ready to go. This kit ensures you have the energy to capture every moment without interruption. With 2 high-capacity 1600 mAh rechargeable batteries, you can significantly extend your camera's running time. Shoot more photos and videos on a single charge. Our advanced charger communicates seamlessly with your camera, displaying real-time power levels. It features multiple safety protections for reliable and stable charging. Charge 2 batteries simultaneously with the dual charging slots. The charger's Type-C and micro-USB inputs offer flexible power options, connecting to laptops, power banks, and more. Enjoy worry-free operation with our product. We offer a 30-day refund and a 12-month warranty for your complete satisfaction. What we like. This option offers a dual USB charger with Type-C and micro-USB inputs, plus batteries that display real-time power. If you value convenience and modern charging options, this is a great choice. It allows charging from various USB sources and provides clear battery status, making it suitable for tech-savvy users. What people say. The charger works with Canon T6. It is a good replacement for the original charger. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.